Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Steam account and the exact game. Sign in on the PC you want to sync and verify Steam Cloud is enabled in the game's properties. That setting controls automatic upload and download. Once done, locate the local save folder and make a manual backup. This prevents data loss if the cloud holds older files. By doing these steps first, you isolate account, permission, and file state issues, so the following actions focus on sync mechanics rather than base. Now you force a resync. Close Steam completely, run it as an administrator to avoid permission blocks, and open the game's properties. Turn Steam Cloud off, launch the game quickly so a local file timestamp updates, then exit and re-enable Cloud. This prompts Steam to reevaluate which copy is newest. If timestamps conflict or files seem damaged, run Verify Integrity of Game Files to repair corrupt files that prevent upload. These actions reset Steam's sync logic and often resolve stuck states. Finish by confirming the outcome. Open the game to trigger a final upload, then watch the Steam client for the cloud icon to show syncing. If it still fails, clear Steam's download cache and restart the client to remove stale state. This forces a fresh connection to cloud servers. Make sure to inspect Steam log files for specific errors so you can act on them. If nothing works, provide your manual backup and logs to Steam support. They can restore or reconcile conflicting save versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.